What's up guys, it's Colin from Boss Audio Systems here again. I'm here at West Coast Customs to check on the West Coast Customs Academy. Last time we were here, the students were hard at work getting their hands dirty. Let's go inside and check it out.
So today with the Academy students, what we did, we actually got the cabin out of the body shop and went ahead and put it on the frame of the vehicle. And then we're gonna start installing the subwoofer enclosure. Meanwhile, I have them doing all the pre-wiring in the amp rack. At that point, we're gonna go ahead and put it on top of the subwoofer enclosure and start running all the wires from there into the head unit and the battery. But so far, this is what they've done, and they've done it all by themselves. I'm very proud of them.
Carlos Chanta, and I'm from Burbank, California. No, I have zero background on mechanics. Basically, everything that I somewhat know is just basically learned on my free time and on my own. With the Boss part, honestly, the audio equipment stuff is probably my favorite part, just because I think it's cool. You get to use your imagination and design what you want to design inside the truck or the car. After graduation, my plans is probably to get maybe an internship or an apprenticeship somewhere. Still build my skill set.
My name is Samuel Fernandez. I'm from Burbank, California. I don't have any prior experience at all, really. The only thing I've done is just like little simple stuff to my own car. That's about it. I think probably like the painting was probably like pretty intimidating. I have worked on the audio. I hadn't have dealt with any audio before. I like how we basically customize everything ourselves. After this, I plan to get an internship somewhere and just better my skills and try and move up in my career.